Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the REEF. Yes, it looks like it's waterproof against the Bitcoin's price, or is it? Because it has been dropping in price since just a bit. And by the way, let me just switch the REEF over to the USD market. As you can see, yes, it has been dropping a bit in price, but not falling in price like many crypto assets on Binance and other exchanges. So soon enough, guys, soon enough, and actually even maybe almost today, it might be a good time to get into it. And I'm not a financial advisor. I am a crypto enthusiast, guys. I do anywhere from 30 to 40 flips on a daily basis, and I actually trade since 2017. And I can definitely teach you guys on how to flip even in very bearish markets. And if you're holding onto the reef, why aren't you subscribed? Why? It doesn't even make sense. It doesn't make any logic if you're unsubscribed yet you're watching this video, because there's definitely tons of updates coming up for the reef, and I want you to be in the know, in the crypto intel about the reef. So let's have a look right here at what the bleep is going on. What, you still didn't hit that subscribe button? Come on, get out right now. Get out. There's no way I'm continuing this video. You're making everyone wait right now. Click that subscribe button. Thank you. Good. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, so as you can see, there is definitely this previous support level right here at the 20-cent mark. And it is very apparent that it has also been here in the beginning. So this is a new test for this crypto asset. And this is great, right? Because at first, well, not at first, I mean, in the beginning, this was the resistance / support level right here. And at some point, unfortunately, it caught itself a nice little dump. But it's okay. It basically means that it's cheap again to purchase, because this is definitely one of these projects that has tons of potential, and it is gonna blow the F up eventually. Now, we're not necessarily going through the best phases for this token, but you can see it has tried itself at higher valuations at approximately, let's see here, 4 cents? Was it 4 cents? Let me just zoom in. There you go. Okay, this is much better. So it tried itself at 6 cents. So it will definitely get back there, but it will need some time. Look at this. These cycles, they are very scattered around. Like, you're trying to make up the cycles, and there's almost no cycles because this is flipper's paradise. A lot of people come in and flip like crazy. Today it's at 2 cents. Yes, of course, that's a good price. It might go a little bit lower, but it's seen as a stable price by the traders, as you can see right here. The trading volume is rather stable for this type of price. So traders accept this type of price. So this is definitely a good token for the flipping. And right now, people might actually see this as I just said earlier, as a discount. So definitely a good moment. And let's just have a look at the weight. So the weight right now, there's not much weight going on. There's not much volume going on. Only $17 million worth of trades in the past 24 hours. And it did generate a little bit of a fart of a difference right here. So there's definitely some potential to it, although it's not slowing down for now, but it's definitely jumping on this support level. So if you want the Crypto Intel's oracles point of view on the reef, well, my point of view is that it will probably, let me just see here. So it's straight dab almost in the middle of the trading price. It's kind of on the low. So there has been this huge purchase pump right here, and there has not been much of a sell-off for this pump. So unfortunately, it might be keeping on going down just a bit, not too much. I'd say that it's waiting for the Bitcoin to stabilize. And once it will stabilize, then at that point, it will pump right back up to approximately 40 cents. And this is where you gotta sell if you're entering at a position of 2 cents, because you've made yourself a nice little 200%. So, definitely one of these crypto assets that you want to hold because it is cheap and you can have many of them and it's still currently cheap. So I would definitely recommend the REEF to be inside of your crypto wallets. Whether you're using MetaMask or Binance Smart Wallet or whatever, just get a bit of these tokens and hold. And you know what? The danger is kind of over here because you see, there was the sell-off and there was the buy-off. So there is equilibrium. And at this point, the weight for the buy orders are not that heavy. So it's starting to sell off. So soon enough, there's going to be a little bit more buy-ins. So guys, basically this is what's gonna happen with the REEF. It's probably gonna hit again the 4 cent mark rather sooner than later. And by the way, if you want to do a one-on-one chat with me, you can use the Patreon link down below where there is direct messaging and I can be very, very responsive and try to answer you as soon as possible because sometimes I'm extremely busy with all of this channel, with the editing and everything. So definitely there are moments where I can reply to you if you have very specific questions for very specific cryptos that you're holding. If you want my quick input on the asset. So guys, all right, let me know what you think about this episode. Are you holding the REEF? Why are you holding it? Let us know in the comments and like if you liked this episode. And if you don't like it, well, dislike it and be gone. All right, guys, see you in the next episode. Cheers.